This inviting and bright cape offers a classic vintage feel and sits on a lovely 9,200 square foot lot. Enter into this adorable home with hardwood floors and original woodwork and relax in the oversized living room with a wood-burning fireplace. The abutting spacious dining room has a stunning picture window which offers plenty of sunlight. The updated kitchen with beautiful tile floors and backsplash opens to the wonderful back porch where you can enjoy your morning tea or coffee. The rear yard is a charming setting, great for alfresco dining with a brick patio and beds to create a delightful garden. Back inside, the first floor has 2 generous bedrooms currently being used as workspaces along with a full bath. The entire second level is a large master bedroom which has 2 closets and an ensuite bath. Barrington is a beautiful community with a nationally recognized school system that includes Primrose Hill School, which is within walking distance. The town has great natural beauty you can explore by visiting Haynes Memorial Park down the road or spending a day at the town beach. The scenic town center is lined with locally owned shops and restaurants and is home to the historic town hall and library. Providence and its acclaimed restaurants and theaters are only 20 minutes away from this quiet seaside town. For more information, call Beverly Chittum at area code 401-529-3247.